Shubhoday presents 4-in-1 ready-to-cook chicken gravy paste. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and add 500 gram clean chicken. With a pinch of salt and turmeric, cook the chicken till it becomes soft and tender. Once the chicken is cooked, add the entire content of the pack to the cooked chicken. Add 100 ml of water additionally and stir well. Cook the chicken with gravy paste for 5 to 6 minutes. Tasty chicken gravy is ready. Garnish with fresh coriander leaf and serve hot with rice. Shubhoday, simplifying your needs.